When a legend returns to the road, it does so with strength, purpose, and the spirit of its unstoppable past. And the 2025 R Model Mack heavy-duty semi-truck is a prime example of that truth, reviving the revered nameplate that once defined American trucking in the late 20th century. The new R Model is not just a nostalgic tribute but a bold leap forward, blending classic toughness with cutting-edge technology. At its heart, the 2025 R Model Mack is powered by the Mack MP8 HE engine, delivering a robust 505 horsepower and a staggering 1,860 pounds-ft of torque, tuned specifically for durability, high efficiency, and maximum hauling power. Coupled with Mack's MDRIV HD automated manual transmission, this setup ensures seamless shifting under the heaviest loads, offering not just strength but intelligence on every haul. The R Model retains a muscular, squared-off silhouette reminiscent of the original design, but now incorporates aerodynamic enhancements like active grille shutters and air deflectors to maximize fuel economy, a crucial update for the modern trucking industry. Compared to other heavy-duty trucks currently dominating the highways, such as the Peterbilt 389 or Kenworth W990, the 2025 R Model Mack sets itself apart with a stronger emphasis on vocational durability. While the Peterbilt and Kenworth models offer luxurious interiors and chrome-heavy aesthetics geared towards the owner-operator market, the R Model blends comfort with an unmistakable workhorse attitude. It offers a driver-focused interior with easy-to-clean surfaces, ergonomic controls, and Mack's new Copilot Plus digital dash system that provides monitoring of vehicle health, navigation, and driver assist technologies. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, lane departure warnings, and a 360 camera system bring the R Model firmly into the forefront of modern trucking expectations, proving that toughness and tech can coexist without compromise. Historically, the original R Model Mack, introduced in the 1960s, revolutionized the trucking world with its rugged design, reliability, and adaptability across countless industries, from construction to long-haul to refuse collection. The Bulldog emblem, proudly perched atop the hood, became a symbol of unbreakable American resolve. The R Model's success helped Mack Trucks cement its reputation as the brand for drivers who needed a truck that could take punishment without giving up. Even decades after production ceased, the original R Models remain a common sight at truck shows and in working fleets, a testament to their legendary build quality and loyal following. This rich legacy is not just honored, but actively infused into the DNA of the 2025 version. Looking toward the future, the 2025 R Model Mack is poised to play a major role in the next chapter of heavy-duty trucking, as the industry continues to face increasing pressure to reduce emissions without sacrificing capability. The new R Model's MP8 HE engine, utilizing advanced energy recovery systems and improved combustion technologies, makes it one of the most fuel-efficient diesel options in its class. Mack is also preparing future-proof options by designing the new R Model platform to be adaptable to alternative power, including hydrogen fuel cells and battery electric systems. Once infrastructure reaches critical mass, this ensures the R Model will not only serve today's demanding routes, but will also evolve to meet the challenges of tomorrow. For drivers and fleet owners, the 2025 R Model offers more than just offers a reliable business partner, a nod to the proud history of American trucking, and a glimpse into a sustainable and unstoppable future, where the spirit of the Bulldog remains as fierce as ever.